Hello everyone, myself Paul Augustine from Department of Computer Science and Engineering of Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to deal about the subject Sustainable Engineering MCN201. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Solid Waste Management System that is coming under Module 2. In today's lecture, we will discuss about solid waste management systems, zero waste management concept, and 3R concepts: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Solid waste management. The main aim of the solid waste management is to address concerns like public health, environmental pollution, land use, resource management, socio-economic impacts, and the above factors are associated with improper disposal of waste materials. Sources: household waste, industrial waste, biomedical and hospital waste, hazardous waste, and municipal solid waste. Impacts of solid waste: ground and surface water pollution, air pollution due to bad odor, greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, etc. will be produced, increase in acidity of the soil, diseases and epidemics, health related problems, depletion of natural resources, economic loss, environmental degradation, impact of solid waste on water environment, and impact of solid waste on air. There are mainly three steps to be considered: collection, processing, and disposal. So collection means segregation of materials at the point of collection. Processing means some waste, some sort of solid waste can be recycled, that is iron, aluminium, lead, tin, etc. Separated materials are processed according to the nature of the materials for disposal. And the third step, that is disposal, placing of solid waste at the final resting place. Methods of waste disposal: open dumping. Sometimes open dumping of waste materials can result in health hazards. Sanitary landfill. Low-lying areas are selected and landfilling is done with the waste. Incineration. Burning of solid waste in furnaces. Pulverization. Pulverized in machines for changing physical character and reducing the volume of the waste materials. Compositing. Organic materials are decomposed and converted into minerals. Then pyrolysis. Waste is heated to 600 to 1000 degree in low oxygen environment. Disposal into sea. When we are disposing the waste material into the sea, 30 m at distance 16 to 20 km. Then the 30 m means crushes of capacity. Likewise, it should be disposed when we are disposing into the sea. Zero waste concept, that means 100% of reuse and recycling, right? And all products are reused, no trash is sent to landfills. That is the concept of zero waste. So zero waste seeks to maximum recycling. So we can recycle the metals, if it is aluminium, copper, etc. Then minimize the waste, reduce consumption. If we are reducing the consumption, the waste will be also less. New Zealand became the first country in the world to adopt the national policy of zero waste management, and over 50% of the cities country adopted EZW. EZW means zero waste as a goal, zero waste plan. Conversion of organic waste into energy. Dining and entertaining. Use ceramic dishes and cloth napkins at all times. Instead of plastic, we can make use of metal tubes, refillable whiteboard markers, such that it can be again reused. Benefits of zero waste management: it saves money, it's a faster process, it supports sustainability, improved material flows, smaller quantity of materials and sends no material to landfills. So this diagram pictorially shows the 3R concept in a clear manner. First one is reduce. Reduce the usage. Second one, reuse. If we have a watermark, if it is refilled, we can use it again. That is an example for reuse. Recycle means, for example, aluminum can be recycled and we can use it again. Then copper. So we need to think how we can make use of 3R concept in an effective manner. How paper can be reused again, batteries, then plastic. Plastic, whether it is possible to reuse plastic, glass, used oil, how or what is the possibility of reusing the used oil, tires, after the use of tires, whether it can be recycled or reused. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce. It's quite simple, really. The less you use, the less waste you will produce. That is concept of reduce. So some of the examples for reduce concept: buying products with less packaging. If a bulk amount of packaging is used for a simple product, then it creates lots of waste. Buying products in bulk. So if we buy 10 items instead of buying one item, altogether can be uh, covered as a single packet. Try to stay away from disposable goods. If we are using disposable goods, it creates a lot of waste. Disposable glass, disposable plates, etc. Buy durable goods. Carry your own carry bags for shopping, so such that we can avoid plastics. By using long life products. So if it costs more also, long life products should be chosen. Product design: reduce toxicity, volume, etc. Hire, share and borrow. We should think before buying something, we should think where if there is a chance to share, or there is a chance to borrow and use, and after the use can it be returned. Waste minimization instruments, regulations and policies. Resource optimization, that is if we are buying one item, optimum usage of the item. Reuse: if you replace your computer, we should think what all parts can be reused. For example, we can make use of the hard disk, we can make use of the RAM, etc. Recycle: sometimes items cannot be reused, we should think whether it can be returned to industry or to other sources, such that it can be break down and we can make a new product out of it. For example, newspaper, aluminium. Then recycling of lead acid batteries, by law 90% can be reused for the lead acid batteries. Advantages of these 3R concepts: it protects environment, reduce energy consumption, reduce pollution, global warming, conserves natural resources. Examples of the 3R concept: so if you are buying some goods or something from the shop, we should make sure that the products don't have a lot of packaging, and instead of buying something you are not going to use often, you must think whether we have a chance of borrowing that commodity from someone else, and after the use we can return it to the from the one we have already borrowed. Save energy by turning off lights that you are not using, so it helps to use the electricity to a minimal level so others can also use it. Hope that you have got a clear cut idea about what do you mean by solid waste management system. Then what do you mean by zero waste management concept? We have seen examples also for zero waste management concept, and the 3R concept: reduce, reuse and recycle concept. Thank you.